So you want to kill those guys that stand between you and an abstract princess? Oh, save me, my hero! I will grant you a kiss or something. Not going to judge you, she's adorable. Just let me show you how to do it in a plumber style. Okay, first create your hero. Follow my tutorial on platformers or something more serious. Now create your enemy. Put it in a game. Disgusting. Okay, let's make it killable. Add a new enemy tag and assign it to the enemy. Add a collider. Now give it another one right above its head or wherever you want to kick it, and don't forget to make it a trigger. Okay, now create new script for the hero. In the script, check if the hero is jumping on this dude's head. It's easy, check for collision with a special method and check if the head under the feet indeed belongs to an enemy. Okay, now the interesting part, how to kill. There are different ways of doing that. You can simply destroy your enemy after you crush its skull with your feet, like make it disappear, or you can create something more complex. Anyway, source code is in the description, go nuts.